How hotels survive during economic slowdowns. Welcome to GM podcast, where leadership, luxury, hospitality, and the future of the global hotel industry come together. I am your host, Tajinder Grover, and today we are discussing a topic that every hotel leader, investor, owner, and hospitality professional must understand deeply: how hotels survive during economic slowdowns. Economic uncertainty is something the hospitality industry knows very well. Whether it is global recessions, inflation, geopolitical instability, pandemics, travel restrictions, or declining consumer spending. Hotels are often among the first industries to feel the pressure. But interestingly, some hotels struggle badly during slowdowns, while others not only survive, they become even stronger. So, what separates successful hotels from vulnerable ones during difficult economic times? Let's explore. Hospitality is highly connected to consumer confidence. When economies slow down, companies reduce business travel, families postpone vacations, luxury spending decreases, and events become smaller or delayed. Occupancy levels fall, average room rates come under pressure. Corporate bookings decline, and operational costs often continue rising. At the same time, salaries, utilities, maintenance, food costs, and technology investments still need to be managed. This creates enormous pressure on hotel leadership, and this is exactly where the role of a strong general manager becomes critical. Because during a slowdown, hotels are not managed only through operations, they are managed through leadership. One of the first survival strategies during economic slowdown is simple: protect cash flow. In difficult periods, liquidity becomes more important than expansion. Smart hotel leaders immediately focus on cost control, energy efficiency, inventory management, vendor negotiations, and operational optimization. But there is an important balance too. Cutting costs blindly can damage guest experience. And in hospitality, reputation is everything. Great hotel leaders know where to reduce expenses without making guests feel the standards are falling. For example, reducing waste, improving procurement systems, optimizing staffing schedules, and investing in efficiency can save money without harming service quality. Ironically, during difficult economic periods, guest experience becomes even more important. Why? Because when customers spend carefully, they become more selective. People may travel less, but when they do travel, they expect value, emotional comfort, and memorable experiences. Hotels that survive slowdowns successfully often focus heavily on personalized service, guest loyalty, emotional connection, and above all, consistency. A returning loyal guest is far more valuable during a slowdown than constantly chasing expensive new customers. That is why loyalty programs, guest relationships, and reputation management become extremely important. Hospitality is ultimately a people business, and human connection remains one of the strongest competitive advantages. One major lesson from recent global crisis is this: hotels cannot depend on only one market segment. If a hotel relies only on international tourism, a travel restriction can create disaster. If it depends only on weddings, economic uncertainty can hurt events. If it depends only on corporate travel, business cuts can impact revenue heavily. The strongest hotels diversify. They build multiple revenue streams such as staycations, local dining experiences, wellness programs, memberships, co working spaces, events, destination experiences, and digital marketing, and also digital marketing partnerships. Modern hospitality is no longer just about selling rooms, it's about creating experiences, ecosystems, and multiple business opportunities. Economic slowdowns also accelerate innovation. Hotels that adapt quickly often emerge stronger. Technology now plays a major role in survival. AI driven revenue management, digital check ins, smart energy systems, guest personalization, online reputation monitoring, and targeted marketing strategies. Hotels that understand data perform better during uncertain times. But technology alone is not enough. The winning formula is technology plus human hospitality. Luxury hospitality, especially, cannot become robotic. Guests still remember warmth, empathy, attention, and emotional comfort. That human factor remains irreplaceable. Perhaps the biggest difference during economic slowdown is leadership quality. In difficult times, teams become anxious, employees worry about jobs, owners worry about finances, guests become more demanding. And this is where great general managers stand out. Strong hospitality leaders remain calm, communicate transparently, motivate teams, protect morale, and create confidence. Because a fearful team cannot deliver great hospitality. Employees perform best when leadership creates trust and stability. A hotel's culture during crisis often determines its long term future. And history shows that some of the world's strongest hospitality brands become stronger precisely because they handle difficult periods intelligently. So, the real question is not will economic slowdowns happen, because they always do. The real question is how prepared is a hotel to respond when they happen. Hotels that survive and grow during difficult periods usually focus on smart leadership, operational discipline, guest loyalty, innovation, financial control, and long term thinking. Because hospitality is ultimately not just about buildings or luxury, it's about resilience. And resilient hotels always find a way forward. Thank you for joining us on the GM podcast. Goodbye, friends.